What's up, YouTube? I'm here with another video, and these I'll be showing you guys my fidget spinner. I have a whole bunch of them. I'm not gonna show all of them. If you want to see all of them, wait, I'm going too late. Hold on, guys. So I'm gonna get my fidget spinners. I'll be right back with y'all. So yeah, so hold on. Okay, guys, here's one of my fidget spinners. As you guys can see, this is one of them. This is one of my fidget spinners. So yeah, and then here's another one of my fidget spinners. I lost my back pieces, so yeah, to this fidget spinner. So yeah, guys, but I will try to find them. All I know is one of them are at both. All I know is that I think both or one of them is at my grandma's house. But I'm trying to see if I can go to my grandma's house. I really love this one. Like, I really love this one. Like, for real, guys. Like, I really love this one. So, yeah, this is your emoji fidget spinner. This one glows up in the dark. I'll show you guys. Like, it really glows up in the dark, guys. See, check one under here. I'll show you guys. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's glowing up, and it's just glowing up green. As you guys can see, it's glowing up green. Yeah, but that's not all my fidget spinners. If you guys want to see the rest of my fidget spinners, go to my other YouTube channel at Mikhail Beasley and subscribe to that channel, and it will show my other fidget spinners. So yeah, and go to my Musically. I have a rainbow type fidget spinner that everybody loves. So go to my Musically at Mikhail, at the official Mikhail. The no caps at all, no space either. Put the and then put official, then put MIQUE, no caps, and then that's my Musically. So yeah, so yeah, and bye. So see you guys in the next video.